Beef Wellington is a treat. It's a dish that's almost art form, both in terms of the presentation and in terms of the skills required from the chef. Now, for me and the home kitchen, I have two small issues with the dish. Number one, I do not possess the skill. I mean, the last time I tried to bake a cake, it burned. There's a reason why there's no pastry on this channel. And number two, in terms of the actual cooking, there are actually a lot of small compromises for almost each ingredient. The beautiful fillet steak is only seared on the sides, depriving it of the full Maillard reaction treatment, meaning less flavor. Mushroom duxelle is a mushroom duxelle. I mean, if you had fresh morels, you're not gonna make a morel duxelle. You're gonna sear it, actually enjoy the mushrooms. The parma ham, I want to just eat fresh. And if you were to use foie gras, I like my foie gras seared. And the biggest problem of them all is that beautiful, incredible puff pastry is almost always 25% soggy, or at least not as nice as the other three sides. So today, as much as I hate the term deconstructed, we are going to make a deconstructed beef Wellington for the home kitchen. Let's do it. So, first things first, we deal with the puff pastry because it takes the longest. Egg wash. We brush. A note for my missus, the puff pastry, don't put them in the freezer. This is store-bought unrolled. I'm no Chef Wong. Perfect. Now this goes into the oven, 180 Celsius fan, about 20-25 minutes, while we cook the rest. First up, beef fillet. Beautiful, beautiful tender cut. Purely for presentation's sake, I like to truss it so that it maintains this wonderful round shape. Very simple. Do a butcher's knot. 1, 2, 3. You pull, I mean it's a tender cut, so don't pull too hard, you'll end up cutting it. Just to maintain this beautiful shape. Do one more. 2, 3. Perfect. Looks brilliant. Season extremely generously with salt. Perfect. Now, smoking hot pan, high smoke point oil. This is vegetable oil. Once the oil starts to shimmer, this goes in to sear. Protein, high heat, we're browning it, causing the Maillard reaction. And that's what's gonna make this piece of meat taste meaty. For fillet steak, because of the lack of connective tissues and fat, I like to cook it on the rarer side. So after resting, I want the core temperature to be 52 degrees Celsius. So once we've achieved the wonderful browning, this can go into a low oven until it's reached temperature. All right, beautifully browned. We brown the other side. Now we brown the sides. Perfect. Stove off. This beauty goes on a wire rack to rest at a super low heat oven until we're ready. We have some beautiful king oyster mushrooms. And you want to shape them a bit, you know. And this will mop up all the fond, all the burn bits from the steak. Only the best bits, of course. We're making beef Wellington after all. The rest will make a soup. And we really want to brown the mushrooms to help them evaporate their water content and concentrate their flavors. And to help them get started, salt. Beautiful color, look at that. And we simply add them in accordance to their cooking time. Season a bit more. Look at the browning you get to achieve, the Maillard reaction, with the mushrooms. And this will give you much deeper flavor than any duxelle could offer. Keep adding more. Last but not least. Perfect. Stove off, set this aside. We check on our puff pastry. Oh, looking great. Now, I know it sounds crazy, but we can plate. First up, we have our beautiful, beautiful fillet steak, brown on every side possible. We remove the trussing strings and we carve for presentation. End-to-end perfection. And from experience, when you plate fillet steak, you're almost better off leaving them on some paper towel, just for 30 seconds, for what looks like blood to come out, but that's actually meat juice with myoglobin. But I understand how that could potentially be off-putting to some. After that, straight in the middle. We have our beautiful mushrooms, all cooked to perfection, well browned. You can still see the variety. They've not been minced to death. Puff pastry down the middle for the crispy bit. The problem is pastry is not my strong suit. Wow, this is actually really beautiful, I must say. I mean, look at this. And now, to make up for the lack of skills, some micro coriander. Just to give the mushroom a bit of brightness as well. Chives will actually work so well. And to overcompensate even more, some edible flowers. And that's it. Every ingredient cooked to perfection. Is it as beautiful as the actual Wellington? Of course not. Will it taste better? I'll leave it for you to judge. And I still have a pack of Parma ham that I can eat in the fridge. And there you have it. This is deconstructed beef Wellington. I really, really hope you enjoy. I will.